Good morning, everyone. Thank you for tuning into this edition. Today, we're going to be making overnight oats. I'm Aaron Espinoza. I'm an inclusion and engagement leader with the Multicultural and Student Activities programs. With me today, I have Garima and Cameron. How are you guys doing?
Good.
How are you?
I'm Cameron. I'm a social work intern at the Multicultural Center. And what we do is we help other students find resources in the Ram Pantry, and that includes these videos showing you guys how we can make stuff that's cheap and that's dorm friendly, things like that.
Hi, my name is Karima and I'm an intern as well at the Multicultural Center. Me and Cameron both work with the Mac Council and also the Ram Pantry. And today we'll be doing a recipe for you guys.
Well, this is going to be great. We love doing this, giving students the information they need, which is great. We kind of have to dial it in because, we have no idea what's available to students. So, for example, this recipe is more dorm friendly, like Cameron had said. But of course, we do have non-traditional students or students in, non-traditional spaces such as apartments, houses, and things like that, that they may have access to different things. So that's why we do different recipes for different levels of like what you have access to, what ingredients are available to you, and things like that. But for the most part, we will probably be focusing with limited accessibility, so it kind of like helps everybody out over the board. I know. Overnight oats is pretty simple, straightforward way. It's pretty hard to mess up and pretty versatile when you want to make what you like to eat, especially for breakfast. In this case, we will be preparing it and we will have to prepare it and let it sit overnight, of course, overnight oats. But when it is finished in the morning, you can throw any kind of ingredients in there that you may have offhand. You may have fruit, you may have milk, yogurt if you can find it. In this case, I'll be doing granola, a little bit of Greek yogurt, and some raspberries. And we'll kind of show you the finished product on those later in the video. Let's go ahead and get started. You guys may have measured yours out already, but I'm unprepared today. How's the start of y'all's, I know we're 3 weeks, 4 weeks in now. How's y'all's semester been?
It's been different this semester.
Yeah.
For sure.
Oh, definitely.
Definitely.
I'm adapting. But we do what we have to, right?
Yeah, I didn't realize how not tech savvy I was.
Oh no,
This semester.
I think we all have like a learning curve with that. I know, at least for me, like I learn a bit better in the classroom, but I'm just picking up new ways to study. There's my really concerned that this might be a little bit too small. Oh well. Measure out half a cup. In this case, this is a single serving. This is actually a really great meal prep recipe as well. If you want to like prep out your week's worth of breakfast, you can do this and just up the serving size on the actual recipe for 4. So in this case, you multiply half a cup by 4, fourth by 4, which in this case is just a cup of oats. That is pretty much it. It's very, very simple. Go. And like Cameron and Karima said, we do have oatmeal and oats available in the Ram Pantry. They come in little packets that come from anything from original to peaches and cream, strawberries and cream, and things like that. Maple syrup there as well.
Yeah.
And those packets, pretty simple. Yeah.
So with mine, I'm using out of this package.
Okay.
And just like you said, it has strawberries and cream, blueberries, peaches, banana. I mixed mine.
Yeah.
So I did strawberry and blueberry.
There you go.
I just measured it out.
See?
Since I'm not just one person in my apartment, I doubled it because he eats a lot. And I'm putting it in this microwave-friendly
Tupperware.
Yeah, Tupperware bowl. And then I just grabbed 2% milk. We don't drink whole milk.
Man, I wish I could drink milk. I'm lactose intolerant. Milk's a luxury for me, $5 a gallon.
I just measured it out in my cup and I just poured it in.
That easy. It's that simple.
And if you want
I'll
to, I
do
guess
the
you could
same.
like grab a spoon and like stir it around a little bit.
Yeah, I have mine measured out here as well, and I'll add the water right now. It's
That's a-
half cup of water.
Which that's a really cool thing. It's like I was saying, it's pretty versatile. You can throw it in anything, really. You can throw it in a bowl, put saran wrap over it, and it'll be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Went about preparing it, and we will show you those results later on.
And then if you want to, in the recipe, it says you can either add sugar or salt or cinnamon sugar, which I like, and you can just dab it in there.
Yeah, I got this one from the Ram Pantry, and it already had sugar included in it, so I didn't have to like go back and add it. So this worked pretty quick.
And then I'm just gonna stir it. And that's it.
The recipe I used, actually, it kind of like prepped it all together at one time, and then you let it sit overnight. So I threw like my raspberries and my blueberries and stuff all into it at the same time. It came out pretty good. Like, it was really good, and like it had that like strawberries and cream kind of flavor to it. But like I said, I made it way too much. So I ended up having to throw some of it away. So like that's the thing with oatmeal, though, is you have to be really careful, because like so much will go like a long way.
Yeah. I just think this is a good recipe because it's cheap.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is, I'm sure, like $3 or $4
Exactly.
with like milk and oats, and that's it.
That's good.
Yeah, like if you're late to class, you can just eat on the go.
Yeah.
I know like students, they only have microwaves in the dorm, so I live in the dorm, so this would be like super easy for me to make quick breakfast.
Yeah. That's great, guys. We will show you those finished products here in just a bit.
Yeah.